Hey, what's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning to play Untamed by Burman, and this song was requested by one of my students. I'll play it for you quickly. This is how it sounds. So, pretty cool song. I really enjoyed it, and I added some of my own kind of things on there. Capo on the 2nd fret, and the tuning is, if you look at the PDF, it's going to be C, G, open C tuning. So, basically the open string C, G, C, G, C, E. And one thing I found with this song is when you put the capo on the 2nd fret, you have to retune the strings, but just do it by ear. I think the original plays in capo 4, like I said on the PDF, but I'm doing it on capo 2 because it's a cover video of him playing it, and it's really nice to play along with if you want to just like really see if you're playing it accurately, okay? Before we get into this, there's just a couple of ingredients that you need for the song. As you saw in the demo, it's pretty basic. It's basically the C chord, C sus4, and a C. And you can also do C like this with this finger here on the 6th. Sometimes tuning's a pain in the butt with this tuning, but anyway, so, and then you got an A minor here. Okay, you could also play A minor like that, but this is the one he uses to get that hammer on. And then also a G, sorry, like this. That's actually the G. And then an F. Mute this string. And he also plays the F with the index finger here on the 2nd fret. So that's it for the chords. You can get the diagrams with the links in the description. There are all of them. And then the other thing you need is the 3 picking patterns. Now, he mixes up the picking pattern depending on the melody of the song. So that's kind of the main thing of the song, but you want to first nail these 3 picking patterns. Now, I'll play this first one for you. It goes like this. Throughout the song, you have a solid traverse picking with the thumb, just boom, 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 boom. Let me give you a close-up of that. You can change to a B minor, then obviously the bass pattern is going to change. So I just changed the picking pattern just to get myself to really nail it with my fingers. I play the ding, 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 ding with each finger, just to, so you could go. So if you really want to nail the picking pattern, change the chords and change the picking pattern slightly, just to add some variations of it. So here's another one. This is a very popular picking pattern. Let me show you the. You could do a bunch with that picking pattern. Okay, this is almost a little bit of a variation. Let's do it in the B minor. Then once you have those picking patterns mastered, then go into the song, which is pretty basic. Basically the intro, you're gonna play the verse chords, which is basically C. City's going greater. And you do that again. Ah! I'm just not getting the song in tune today. Sorry. But you'll be able to learn the song with the slightly dodgy tuning. So, city's going greater. Let me show you to that with a close up. C, C says for C. And you can add any notes in between, and then oh heavenly dictator. So he does something like that on the A minor. So space. Oh wait. Something like that. Like you could just follow the song to kind of get that thing, and then well, you could do on the G and then the F. And then it goes back into that. So I'll just play the whole thing quickly, slowly. Okay, the first part. Okay. Oh, and there's a little bit of a rake in the beginning. And then the chorus part. Da da da. Da da. careful not to bend with the pinky there, like I just did now. So that's the building blocks of the song. Don't learn the song step by step exactly each note. Just learn the picking patterns, learn the chords, and then try to kind of incorporate the melody while you're doing the picking pattern. It will take some work, but if you're kind of an intermediate level player, you should be able to get it if you've done this kind of fingerstyle stuff. If you want to do more fingerstyle indie intermediate level songs, I've got a bunch of songs on my website for free. So go to joobamusic.com, check out the free lessons, and then just check those tags. Intermediate, fingerstyle, indie. And you'll get some songs from Ben Howard and some other things. Okay, have a nice day, guys. And for the outro of this video, I'm going to show you how to play really cool stuff with this tuning. Just a couple of random things. So, capo 5. Peace out.